The only way I would tell people to really get that self credit card is if you guys cannot get a credit card anywhere else. If you try to get like a regular unsecured credit card and you can't get one, then I say definitely get the self credit card. And then also, if you try to get a secure credit card with Discover, Navy Federal, and Capital One, and they deny you and they say they won't even give you a secure credit card, then definitely get that self credit card. Do not get that self credit card if you're able to get an unsecured credit card from another company, because self is just a secure credit card and that's it. So that money that you're paying into your installment account, it is going to be held up within that secure credit card. It's just no point of doing that if you're able to get an unsecured credit card. So that's my thought. So look at that, see if it applied to you, and then determine whether or not you should get that self credit card. Now, the self credit card can really build your credit, but you just have to make sure that you keep that balance low on it too. Sometimes people just second guess it, but if you can't get no other credit card, and I'm telling you, you need to get a credit card, just get that self credit card and really keep pushing, you guys. Don't think too hard, because that self credit card can really change your life. Like, and just keep the balance low on it. So if you got a $200 credit card with them, make sure that they never report more than $10 as your balance to the credit bureaus, and you'll be fine. And they're going to report that balance usually 3 to 5 days after your due date, because that's going to be your statement date. That's when they're going to report it to the credit bureaus. So just make sure you keep the balance low on it. It can really boost your credit score up. And as your credit score go up, go ahead and apply for some